That is a lot of volume on Roku. That's not even a base. LK Square taking it on the chin today. Oh, there's our stalling candle. Hey, what's up, Eli? Round 10. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my modem, but it's interesting. Let's just say that. All right, so I mean Roku. Invested in Mongo. No, I actually have not invested in Mongo. I was liking it again this morning. Let's take a look at it again. Yeah, not quite. Not ready yet. Not ready for prime time. Roku, on the other hand, is ready for prime time. That is ready for prime time, and that is rocking this morning. Look at that. Volume's already almost yesterday. We're only like, what is that, 30, 40 minutes in to the day. So, unfortunately, it's not a traditional base. You got 1, 2, 3 weeks. Not even a. It's just a breakout and a pullback to the 50-day. So it's a continuation of this whole run here. But yeah, this Roku rally this morning has just been ridiculous. Non-stop up, no pullbacks to speak of. Not yet. We'll see if we get some here. It's pretty much exhausted its daily range, at least on the daily chart. What it's really capable of, outside of earnings, this was a huge candle. This is probably this one, maybe this one. I don't know exactly what's going to be the best. It's still the best tech, Eli. You can't go away from the old stuff. Records are still the best. Records, dial-up. I mean, I go with all the best stuff. I get my dysentery straight from the stream. Yeah. All the old good stuff. Chlamydia is my favorite. I don't like this new HIV stuff. Where's the volume and pays? No volume and pays. Grifols has had no volume this morning. Oh, looks like it did have some volume, but it was on the way down. Yeah. Stalling candle right there. Anti-vaxxer. I'm not an anti-vaxxer. I use this, you go to the town square, you get the bottle. It fixes everything. Has some cocaine in it. That's the good stuff. Cocaine's the new stuff. That's what the science shows. Put cocaine in everything. It'll cure all your ails. NBev. Wow. Fresh new lows there in 2019. Bye-bye. Looks like Kuya trying to go in that direction too. Carvana not really interested in testing that upper trend line. Maybe take a look at it at that lower trend line. Etsy still sideways in the consolidation. Hey, I made money in my last trade, my friend, so meth works. I've always said, when in doubt, use meth. That's been my Dude, I've been here for years now. It's been my saying the entire time. The entire time. I'm not a flip-flopper, Eli. MDCO getting down in this channel. Let's check it out. A little bit closer, some basing structure here. A few tops. I don't like the trajectory of this trend line via the run-up. Looks like it's losing momentum. Not sure if I want to get too involved in the bottom of that channel. 50-day for INCY. ServiceNow, man, still holding up right there. Sherwin-Williams, holding pretty strong above that declining trend line, similar to Stars. Constellation Brands, actually. Intuit, man, not giving it up. Real meth. That sounds like a Dave Chappelle comedy skit. All right, ZTO, still waiting for this thing to break out. Let me throw an alert on here. INSG, happy in its bull flag. MJ, happy being a horrible, horrible ETF. EPAM, non-stop EPAM. Match.com looking good. Funko. Talked about this one the past couple of days. Didn't get involved yesterday. That was really the day to get involved. Earlier in the morning. Missed that one. CMG. Kellogg's. Why are you still on my radar? Go away. God. Ah. All right, Netflix. What are you doing, Netflix? Are you bouncing? Bouncing off the 50-day a little bit. Right there yesterday. Ooh, earnings. Tomorrow after market. Our buddy Qualisys. This is one of my new more favorite charts in the market. Not quite breaking out great. Fox looks like it's stopped going down right at a prior high. Right there. That could be pretty good. IIPR trying to come back. ANIC, UPLD. Winnebago. Been on fire doing, looks like it's doing pretty good there. KG not doing good. NSC. Yeah, all right, this guy's breaking higher, but no volume to speak of. That could get interesting if it gets interesting. Grifols stalling out at highs here. Beyond Meat looking pretty good. This little consolidation the past couple of days it's put in. If these moving averages weren't here, I kind of like this. And pays just sitting at highs. My grandma's dog. Yeah, I think the name was Grifols. That sounds about right. Yeah. Nasdaq down 0.15%. It's all over, guys. Bull run's done. We're having a red day. It's not worth it anymore. Can't make money in stocks anymore. Look at this. Oh, the humanity. Harry Potter's dog. Yeah, there you go. That's a good one. Oh, Overstock. Got Roku there. Good volume on Overstock. I'm not quite sure there's a way to get into that, though, safely. All right, market down almost 0.2% now. Let's see if we start selling off a little more. Oh. Looks like they're starting to break up my street now. This should be fun. So LK is a fun little stock. Recent IPL. Look at this declining trend line. Trying to get over the lines right there. Pretty good volume yesterday. I don't have volume on here though. Your MACD is getting higher. A little choppy this morning though. I'm not a massive fan of that chop. Yeah, Roku's just gangbusters today. If the market does turn around a little bit and go back towards positive territory, this thing could be up 10%. But I don't know. Right now, it doesn't feel that way. Not a lot on a Tuesday really pushing the market higher, but we'll see. Very tight consolidation up here on Roku on my 5-minute chart. The daily's just beautiful. Can't argue with the daily chart on Roku. We're pretty much even with yesterday's volume. It's like another 5 minutes and we'll be there. Maybe 10, the way the volume's declining right now. On a Tuesday, yeah. Cyber a little bit red, Square a little bit red, LK red. That may be all she wrote. We'll see. Beyond Meat looking pretty good here. There's the transports looking fantastic. United Rentals with a good day. 10Xer. You don't look for that. Well, you have to find 10Xers from like the $4 range and kind of hold them all the way up. I think what was it, INS here, and then Pays would have been the last two. You gotta look for stocks under $10. This NSC here is looking pretty good. I'm liking the way this is looking, although they do have earnings coming up pretty shortly. 7/24 should be next week. Yeah, about a week from now on this guy. So about a week to run, but it's crossing some lines here. Just really a good lack of volume over here. It's okay. I guess it's okay. There you go. Spirit Airlines trying to break that trend line. This maybe could get interesting. I don't know. Let's take a look. Above the 50-day consolidating. Looks like we got kind of a mini buy right there at 52.6. I'm not sure what oil prices are doing these days. THOTRN. TripAdvisor, also long-term trend line possible breakout. Looks like it's been chopping around it here. Chopped here, dropped, chopped here. Has earnings coming up. I don't think there's any major edge to be had on that one. LPLA, all-time highs. Today, actually. Oh, what's this guy? Oh, they've already... Oh, he's saw cutting my street today. So let's see if you guys can hear them saw cut my street for the next 3 hours. That guy looks excited to be doing it. It's like, yeah, this is great. Pretty fun job. Hard to mess up saw cutting. I'm not too mad at that. I would be mad if he cuts up my curb, though. I've got a curb on the back side of the sidewalk that faces my yard that... Yeah, I'll be a little mad. Stream the guy cutting the sidewalk. Yeah, right. Just live stream for 6 hours. The event you've all been waiting for. Sidewalk cutting by a random person. In the left corner, the guy cutting the sidewalk. There's no right corner. He's cutting it. Look at Cena. Look at that weekly downturn from 2015. So don't you live in New York, Eli? How's road construction doing in terms of favorability ratings these days? Oh, there you go. You guys can probably hear it now. He turned up the revs. That's a big ass saw. Used one of those once back when I first met my wife. She has a condo, or had a condo, and the backyard was completely enclosed. The house was block. There was block wall, and it was a block retaining wall. So it was literally just a big old basin of concrete. And every time it rained, it just completely flooded, and almost flooded in the house on a few occasions. So I ended up using a saw cutter, and I cut up about 22 feet of concrete, about 6 inches wide, and made a French drain. Never flooded again. Well, you know, Eli, I can't give away all my tricks. You're lucky you're lucky I was able to tell you this time. Can you guys hear that? It's pretty loud in here. They forgot roads needed. All right, one saw cut done. He's gonna do the next one. Only went down about. Looks like he's doing about 1 inch at a time on his passes. Anyway, fun stuff. I didn't own it. I rented it from Home Depot and then bought it because I destroyed it. That's how you end up with a big saw like that. All right, so TNA, this is the Russell 2000 3x index. Look at how far down this drop brought the index. I think the index is probably near all-time highs. Let's go take a look. Oh no, not really. That's the parent index. It's still way down there. I take that back. Wow. Is TQQQ at highs yet? Still not all the way back up there. Wow, still not quite up there. So that's why you want to jump out of these triple index funds when the market goes bear, because while it compounds on the way up, it compounds on the way down. And so this was a pretty brutal drop. 59%. It's hard to come back from 59%, even going 3x. So it's good to jump out up here and then jump back in over there, and jump out there and then jump back in over there. So, oh shoot. Is that why we went out earlier? Damn it. Cut my landline. You can't do that, man. It's like cutting a man's soul. Roku going for it again. I'm loving it. As long as he doesn't cut my irrigation line for my sprinklers, I'll be good. I don't know if it's getting there today, but the volume's already above yesterday's volume. Today's going to be just a good volume day for Roku. Hopefully it gets up there. Oh, nice, Rob. Oh, round two. Why is he cutting way the F out there? He's going to cut in his own airline or something. Looks like air. Looks like an air hose. Man, it would so suck to be cut by that saw. Hope he's wearing earplugs. I always worry about that with these guys. I used to do construction work, and man, those earplugs, crucial. All right, let's check on some of our big boys. Amazon, what are you doing up here? Still looking nice. Amazon AMD looks like it's printing all-time highs here. Microsoft taking a little bit of a hit today. Facebook, which was also breaking out, pretty flat right now. What else we got? Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook. Why do I feel like I'm missing one? Netflix, that's not really a high market cap though. Well, Pays is up 5%. Wow, Pays broke out further. Look at that. My goodness, man. Guys talking about Bison a lot. What's Bison doing? Oh, nice little breakout. Snap. That's doing okay. Oh no, this is the one that was hit the top of our trend line a few days ago. So this one's done for right now until it decides to curl back up. Not quite there yet. SQ, this guy's consolidating a little bit. We're flagging out here. Nothing's broken. Look at yesterday's. Yesterday was awesome. Look at that. Pretty low volume. It was a red day, but look where we closed. We dropped and then rallied back all day ever so slightly. And I like that. Super nice. Super, super nice. My buddy Qualys holding up here above the trend line, which is pretty good. So that's not bad. Cyber. We got into yesterday. This guy holding beautifully up here. That's a bull flag right there. Look at that breakout day. That was just textbook picture perfect. Got into that one early. Hopefully it maintains above the trend line there. Or the buy point. The technical buy point from my IBD perspective is right there. So if we can stay above that, that would be just fantastic. Well, the guy's letting the machine run. He just lets go. And that machine is so well balanced, he's barely touching it. It's a big ass machine too. It's got to weigh, I don't know, easily 250 pounds. Probably way more than that, but like it looks heavy. It's about 4.5 feet tall, about 5 feet long, 3 feet wide, 2.5 feet wide. Diesel generator, I'm sure. Good stuff. All right, let's go check Roku again. Sitting up there nicely. Overstock doing good. Pretty good. Pays at all-time highs. Beyond's looking pretty good this morning. Lots of volume on this little run-up. Well, it's not looking bad. These little 2 days of consolidation are pretty nice. Oh, we're starting to get volume on my 50 moving average chart now. I'm going to put my earplugs on for crying out loud. Yeah, those are my headphones. These are my earplugs. Oh, that's better. Although now I get to hear myself in an echo chamber. That's what happens when I put on my earplugs inside the house. Roku's stalling out a little bit here. Hopefully it can hold I think above this 109 would be nice. That'd be pretty good. Alright guys, I'm going to bounce out of here. Go get some food or something. Oh shit, today garbage day? It is. I got to go put garbage out. Alright guys, I'll see you later. See you tomorrow or in the power hour a little bit later. Either way, have a good day guys. Bye.